If your partner refuses to use protection, would you be okay with that? The night before your wedding, your fiancé tells you he can't have children. Would you choose to adopt or call off the wedding? After getting married, your husband confesses he has a child from a previous relationship with another Filipina. What would you do? Excuse me! Pwede ka mo ma-interview? Nag-vlog kami. Kailangan ko mong pang-tricycle o pang-coffee after. Ano lang, 5 questions man lang. Okay lang? Mga college students. Iyo. Ay, thank you so much. Okay lang naman kita. Iyo, okay lang. 5 questions man lang. Opinion mo man lang. Okay lang naman kita. Wala be, kamong duwa. 2 minutes lang. Nag-vlog kami. What are your names and ages?
I'm Crispin. I'm 18 years old.
I'm Maria and 24 years old.
If your partner refuses to use protection, would you be okay with that?
So for me po, no, because personally, I want to remain pure until my marriage.
For me, no, because there's a lot of cases na with like HIV or something, STD, ganun. So, I would say no.
If your partner proposed and you said yes, but there's still no wedding after 5 years, would you leave or keep waiting?
So just like my answer earlier, it depends on the situation po. If you truly love someone, you are willing to wait. And I believe that, pwede ko bang yung Bible verse? Just like my favorite verse, if the time is right, I totally will make it happen. So, talaga yun po yung pinanghahawakan ka na.
That's what you're holding.
Yes, there's a right time for everything po. And it's also depend if God's will po siya.
So you're willing to wait.
Yes.
Okay, you're willing to wait. Even though it takes like for so long, it's fine.
As long as he is my partner.
How about you? Are you gonna leave or are you gonna wait?
I will wait po because I love him and maybe I will ask him why where if there is a plan, yun po.
You're still gonna ask, but you're willing to wait. Okay. Okay. Now, after getting married, your husband confesses he has a child from a previous relationship with another Filipina. What would you do?
Maybe I don't know. Maybe break or maybe I don't know. I will ask him or I don't know.
Tough question.
But
It's a tough question, right?
yes.
So you don't know what to do.
Yes po.
Okay, she said it's kind of hard to answer. How about you? What would you do if you found out that he has a child from another Filipina and this is after getting married?
So first po, since tinago niya,
Since he kept it from you,
first I will calm down po and then talk to him about that problem. And then if he didn't settle that problem, then I will break up with him po.
even though you're married already?
Yes po.
The night before your wedding, your fiancé tells you he can't have children. Would you choose to adopt or call off the wedding?
Yeah. Yes po. I will choose to adopt because if he didn't give me a child, it doesn't be a less of our love po. And also, if you truly love someone, that's not what you are looking for because you are focused on the love you receive from him and then the connection.
Same to her po. Mag-adapt. Adapt na lang po. Siyempre, that's why we love each other. So, there's no maybe if we have a problem, maybe adapt na lang po. Para, yes po. It's okay po.
It's okay. Okay, so it's okay to adapt, okay? But it is not okay for you ladies to find out that he has a child, right?
Yes.
Why is that?
For me po, it is a big deal because he kept it from me, and then yeah, we're married, and I found out later that he has a child. So it is a big deal because I feel betrayed because he didn't give me a child, but he did for another woman. So that's why.
Both singles, right? You said earlier you were single. You're 18, you're 24, no boyfriend since birth.
Yes po.
Yes po.
Okay. You still in college?
Yes po.
What are you studying?
Bachelor of Secondary Education, major in English.
And you are?
Bachelor of Secondary major in English din po. And currently, licensure, passer na po.
Congratulations. You just found out today? Ah, congratulations. She just found out, guys. Congratulations. Oh my God. So you're going to be, celebrating it, right? Oh, congratulations. Oh, I'm very curious, right? Because you're still single, especially you at the age of 24. No suitor or what?
May suitor. Pero,
You have suitors.
yes po, yes po. Pero, pa, laylo lang.
What do you mean? Still,
Still, po, for, muna, work, hanap, ganun. Settled for, muna po.
you want to settle down first, financially stable. Oh, excuse me. Pwede ka mo ma-interview? Kahit 2 minutes lang. Nag-vlog kami. 5 questions lang. Super dali. Promise. Okay lang. Opinion man lang. Mura man na ano. Sige, thank you! Thank you, ma'am. What are your names and ages?
I am Melani Rose. I am Melani Rose. I am 21 years old. Angelica at 21.
Okay, you two are beautiful. You have beautiful smiles. You're welcome. Okay, so here's the very first question. If your partner refuses to use protection, would you be okay with that?
I think no. At my age po, I'm not still not ready for any responsibilities, and I'm still studying. So I'm not okay with it.
The same with her po, ma'am. I don't think that is allowed for me, as protection is very important, and I think that is necessary for me as a woman. And you know,
Would you date someone your family completely disapproves of?
Yes, because I think that my family is not the one who my partner will lives on, and still I believe that love should be fight. Like, if you love someone, you should fight for it and risk everything about it.
the same with her. I think I'm going to stick with my decision. I would fight for someone who I really love, and if that person's really deserving my love, I think I would. If that person is worth fighting for, I will fight for him.
If your partner proposed and you said yes, but there's still no wedding after 5 years, would you leave or keep waiting?
I will leave because why would he propose me if he doesn't want to marry me? Like, what's the purpose of the ring if he doesn't want to marry me at all? Like, why it's so long 5 years if he's not ready, if he's not financially, mentally, and emotionally ready?
For me, also the same with her. I think I would not settle for that kind of settings. You already proposed to me, and then I'm going to wait for 5 years. I think that's a big no for me.
Okay. After getting married, your husband confesses he has a child from a previous relationship with another Filipina. What would you do?
I think I will leave him because why would he secret something about me that he will not tell me when we are boyfriend and girlfriend? So if he really loves me and I will love him, still I will think I will accept him and his child whatsoever naman.
For me, it depends. But it depends if that person's happened. He never met me that time, and there's so many circumstances that can be accepted. But for me, Depends on the situations.
Depends on the situation. Okay. I thought you're gonna say you're gonna leave him too, just like her. Okay.
Don't settle for less.
Okay. Okay. Now, the night before your wedding, your fiance tells you he can't have children. Would you choose to adopt or call off the wedding?
I think yes. Because
What do you mean yes?
I mean,
Call off or you're gonna adopt?
I'm gonna adopt. Because I think naman it's not about being me and him having a child. It's us, the love. It's the love that's the center of our relationship, not the child, not being mother and father.
Yes, also I think adopt than to cut off that person. It's more the love is more greater than that kind of settings.
Both singles or do you have boyfriends?
I have boyfriend.
Single.
Single. Okay, how long have you been single?
Since birth.
Since birth. And you are, how old are you again, Be?
21 ba?
21. In college, right? I can see that. What are you studying?
I am studying Bachelor of Science in Criminology.
So you're gonna be a police officer.
Ma'am.
The same with her. Of criminal justice education.
Best friend. Best
Best
friend.
I can tell that. Is it okay to interview you for our members video?
Yes.
Okay, thank you. So, members, see you on the video later. Well, anyway, thank you so much. We really appreciate your time, Beth. Thank you. You're welcome. And your honesty also. Thank you. Hi, everyone. Hopefully, we earned your subscription. And also, if you want extra videos, please consider becoming a YouTube member. Thank you for watching and see you again next time. Bye-bye.
Beautiful reflections